Hi guys, let me show you how to make a tornado in this bottle that Mr. S gave me as a present. Alright, turn the bottle around, don't mind the wetness, and spin it around. Spin it very hard and then you see a tornado. But if you shake it again, it turns bigger like an EF5. And then now it looks much bigger. And the hole looks so big. It even goes down fast. Look, water. And even when the tornado comes, all the water starts coming right here. And let me show you it again. Spin it around. Maybe should. And then that's better. And then you see over here, you see the water going in here.
Oh, I see the top. I see the top.
Filling up the bottom. And emptying the top. Well, there's still a little bit drops on it. Now that's some science. Goodbye.